Check out the completed install on the 2022 Chevy Colorado C71. We got the side steps to help get in and out of the truck. Also provide some side protection from door dings in the parking lots. These are functional, they're stylish, they match nice with basically any truck with a nice matte black finish. We also did this backflip MX4 aluminum hard folding cover. It's locked with the tailgate. You can't fold this open until the tailgate is unlocked. Then you pull the cable underneath for easy access. So there's a cable on each side. You can fold it up all the way. There's no drilling required with the installation. So when we ship this cover out to you, it's easy to do by yourself. We do it in an hour here while you wait. If you're in Arizona, come visit us. The cover locks with each panel. Boom, low profile, security. Lock the tailgate and you're ready to go. We got the side steps, bed covers. We're in Phoenix. Visit our website for nationwide shipping, truckaccessplus.com. Call our store, we'll help you out today.